let's see how to crop an image in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and insert our picture. Now, for example, you would want to crop this image and you'd want to remove the extra space on the sides. So what you can do is first head on to the picture format tab right here at the top, which will open when you click on the picture. Now from here, you'll see on the far right, you have the option to crop the image. Now simply click on that and that will open up this frame-like pattern around your image, which will allow you to crop your image to your desired dimensions. Now let's go ahead and remove that extra space. And to finish, simply click enter. And there you go. Your image has now been cropped. And that is how you can crop an image in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.